Papucho, where are you going?
He's going to his bedroom. Come on, Pucho.
Pucho.
Pucho, in.
Pucho, whoa.
Pucho, come on. Hey. Come on, get up. There you go. Show mommy how strong you are. There you go. No,
Whoa, what happened?
come on. There you go. Come on. Pucho, come on, let's go. No, over here. Hey. Gabriel. Gabriel.
Gabriel, come here. Come here.
Come on, hey.
Whoa. Is that fun when you fall? There you go, you got it. Whoa.
Run.
No running.
He's gonna play. He's walking all around the house. Then he goes to his bedroom. He wants to go play. Or maybe the kitchen.
You need to take a break.